Hello and welcome back. Last week, I incorrectly stated that I turned off the signal on Thursday, which was true, but not for this signal. It was true for the ZuluTrade signal. I had turned it off on Thursday after it had closed around. But this one I left running. So when it ended the week, it only, the week ended with one trade. Where is it at? Let's look at that here. The week ended with one trade closed, and then literally nothing happened afterwards. It wasn't because I shut off the signal. It was because there just wasn't enough movement to trigger a spike and enter a trade. So we ended like this. But then Monday, let's look at Monday. Monday, we closed 10 trades. I mean, this is freaking amazing, right? 10 trades, okay? And we had a pretty good move. We did have a basket of 3 here that fortunately closed right away, within just several hours. And managed to close yet another trade and didn't leave any trades open for the next day. So 10 trades. And I forgot to mention, we ended the week with $441, and that put us at 80% profit. But then Monday we got 10 trades, which put us up to 83% gains, and brought our balance up to $449. Now I know you're looking at this balance over here, and you're like, okay, don't look at that yet. That's the future. It doesn't exist. Hang on, somebody's calling me. Okay, I'm back, but now I don't remember what I was talking about last. So bear with me if I'm repeating myself. We closed Monday 10 trades. Let me see, 449 balance. Oh, I think I remember I was saying don't look at the balance down here because that's the future. This video is being recorded really late, like 2 weeks late, so I'm, don't hate me. I'm getting it done. That's the important thing. All right. So we closed 10 trades. Our balance is up to $449 from $441, so $8, okay. So let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday doesn't look all that eventful. But we closed, what did we close? 4 trades. Right? 1 basket and then 2 little ones, although that's not that little. Let me see what that is. Oh, I can't look at the... Anyway, we closed 4 trades on Tuesday, which brought our balance up to $451. All right? And 84% gains. Monday, we were at 83% gains. Okay? So not much to see there. But we met our quota, right? 3 or more, so there's 4. So that's the important thing. We met our quota. Okay, let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday we closed 4 trades, and then the server went full retard and started to flake out. And so I spent probably half of Wednesday troubleshooting the server, trying to figure out why the signal wasn't communicating. It was a pain. And so these 4 trades that happened here, that was during the normal course of the day. And then sometime after that is when the copiers lost communication with the server. And I didn't realize it for a few hours. And then when I finally started working on it, I was doing some tests, and that's where these trades all came in. And I don't even think any of them are profitable or lose. They're probably all break-even trades for all I know. So I'm not counting those as the part of the 4. So we got these 4, and then there was probably about 5 or 6 trades here that I had opened and closed, just while troubleshooting the server. Okay. So that was Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. Thursday was interesting. We closed 3 trades. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3. And then we ended the day with 3 trades open in a basket. And look at that move. That was a pretty big move. So I called it wrong here, and then the price just dropped off a cliff. And it looks like it got way down here, but started to retrace a little bit. I don't know. It was interesting. But we met our quota. 3 trades, right? And then we've got a basket of 3 waiting for next week. So this was New Year's Eve. And then Friday was New Year's, which there was no trading because there was no market open. And that's just basically how the week ended, right? So we started the week with $441, and we were at 80% profit. We ended the week with $457, which put us up to 87% profit, which is a gain of $16 for the week, which represents 3.6% profits for the week. We closed 21 trades in those 4 days, which is, almost double what my expectancy was. And so this was a great trading week. And I attribute some of that to the volatility that happens during Christmas, New Year's, and what will soon be happening in January. Let's look at the Myfxbook and see what we have there. Okay, so last month, let's see, November, we closed down, right? We were down 3.9% from the previous month. This month we're up 23%, almost 24% from last month. Right? What does that mean in terms of dollars? Let's see. All right, so we made $88 profit for the month. I'm talking these small numbers, $88 and whatnot, right? But when you compare it to the amount of money that we're trading with, that's huge, right? That's huge. I mean, it's literally 23, almost 24% gains. If I were to scale this account, if this was a $40,000 account, then that profit would be, $8,800, right? So it scales. And it literally, the fact that I can trade more doesn't mean that it's going to trade differently. My fills will go in just as quickly. I'll get the same prices. Everything would work exactly the same, except my lot size would just be, 100 times larger, let's say. Right? So this system, it's not dependent on your account size per se. Okay? Anyway, so that's where we're at. We ended the year. Oh, I wish I could have calculated what the total gain was. I should have thought about that beforehand. Oh well. Sorry. Oh, and if those of you who are more alert than others might have noticed that there's already a 2021 tab, which implies that it's already January and I'm just that late in recording this video. But we won't talk about that. I'll try to get the future videos recorded sooner. All right, let's go back to the chart and see where we're at. Okay, so that's pretty much it, I think. Let's see if there's anything else. Right, we made 3.6% profit this week, $16 gain, 21 trades that we closed over a 4-day period, which is amazing. I think that's all I've got. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And, also, there's a bell button that you can click on to get notifications whenever I post a new video. So I don't know if you're already doing that, but I haven't been asking people to do that. But it does help the YouTube algorithm if you click the bell button. So you click the bell button and then you click all, and you'll get all the notifications anytime I publish a video. All right. Another thing is I wanted to give a shout out to everybody who's following me on ZuluTrade. By you following me, you make money on your investment. I make money from your trading activity, right? That helps my business. So the more people I have following me, the more money I have following me, the more money I make to build up my business that I'm trying to build. And in the future, you'll see videos of other stuff that we're doing. we've got software projects. We've got, we're working on building a hedge fund. We're going to be doing all kinds of educational stuff. Basically, empowering people, entertaining people, educating people. I mean, that's our motto, right? Entertain, educate, empower. That's what Odd Beaker is all about. And you're helping us to reach that goal of being able to do that. If you're not following me on ZuluTrade and you're interested in supplementing your income with some extra cash flow, there's a link in the description for how to get on ZuluTrade and follow me. And you set up your Forex account and immediately start copying my trades. All right, so that's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.